Hi everyone, thank you for watching Drew's Corner and welcome back again for another episode of Video Tutorial. So today, we will be talking about how to customize your channel. Diba? So ngayon, nakikita nyo yung screen ko, may ang aking playlist andito na sa baba. So I will teach you how to customize and make it easier for your viewers to see your playlist without visiting or clicking this icon or this option. So kasi sa playlist nandiyan na lahat eh, pero this one tuturuan ko kayo how this has been created and nandiyan na lahat. Okay, so as you can see, you have to go first your channel, which is your channel, and then you can see the entire screen of your channel. So just click Customize Channel. So now, once you click the Customize Channel, it will show something like this. So, nakita nyo na yan. So I will show you, kasi nakapag-add na ako dyan eh. So ngayon, I will show you how to add an additional channel. Alright? Or additional section. So punta lang kayo all the way to the bottom and you can see add a section. Alright, so I've already created a playlist last night for me to be able to add it here. So you have to select the content. If it's posted videos, live now, upcoming live streams, past live stream, created playlist, single playlist, and so on and so on. Okay, so now we will be capturing created playlist. So now for the created playlist, we will be, oh no, not created playlist, single playlist. And then it will show you if it's horizontal or vertical view. So for the horizontal row, it will show like this. Okay? For vertical, syempre, pababa. Pababa, yeah. And then, this one, choose playlist. So ngayon, you will be entering a playlist URL. So what you're going to do is go to, wait lang, I think there is a different type, save playlist. Ayan. You haven't publicly, but tingnan natin lahat, okay? Tingnan natin lahat para makita natin yung, ayan, kailangan talaga ay ano yung playlist. Okay, wala namang problema kung ano yung playlist. So you have to go again to your playlist. So nag-save na ako kahapon. So ito yon, video tutorial. Wait lang. Medyo may ano tayo dito, no? Yun. So, video tutorial. Then we will copy that one to this one. And then we will add it. Ayan, na-add na natin yung link niya. Diba? So, nakita nyo. So, in-enter natin yung URL ng playlist natin, which is this one. Ito yung playlist natin. And then, we add it in here. Pasensya na kayo sa mga maingay na dumadaan ng mga, mga vehicles. Ayan. So, nandyan na yung ating additional playlist. So, we will press done, of course. So, ngayon, you have the option if you wanted to this playlist to be on the top portion of your views. So as of right now, you can see, there is it only shows video reactions, episode featuring calm music and live streams and popular videos, of course. So you will be putting that on top if you want that to be put on top of your to be as organized as you want it to be. If you wanted to put that on top of your list, so just press this one there, and then another one, and then another one. So, gusto ko siyang madagay sa bago yan. So, video reaction, episodes, video tutorials, featuring calm musics, and then live stream. So, dapat yan yung mag-review sa akin ngayon. So, let's go back to my view. So, ngayon wala pa siya dyan, di ba? Hindi pa siya dyan. So, dapat after episodes, meron ako dapat na nakalagay na video reactions. I mean, video tutorial. So, we will see if it shows. Ayan. So, nandyan na siya. Okay? So, ngayon, ang benefit dyan is that your audience or your viewers will not just go ahead and visit your playlist, because not every one of us really go to the playlist, especially if it's a random audience or a random viewer. Not everyone will just go to the playlist and then check your playlist. This one, at your home screen or at your home screen, it will just let your viewers to have an easier look on your playlist. So you have their video reactions, episodes, video tutorials, featuring calm music, live streams, like this is mine, you know. So you just have to include that there in the customized channel. So once you're done here in customizing your channel, so you just have to easily close that one, and then it will show you how it works, and your viewers can easily go ahead and check all the videos that you featured here on your page. Diba? Mabilis lang. So, yun guys. So, if you want to see more of my videos, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for you to be updated anytime. See you on the road. Bye! Hi there! If you want to see more of my episodes and other featured videos, just check these videos, including this episode. See ya! Bye!